Hello my dear children, welcome back to my class. Here I am back with my new video with new questions, okay, new sums that we are going to solve from our previous exercise. And I hope that you all have watched my previous video and you are practicing those questions at home. So for today's class, let us start. So today I'm going to show you how to solve question number 5. And in question number 5, you are asked to find the value of each of the following. All right. So you can see page number 48. So we have to find the value of the given equation. Okay. So here is the equation. So we will solve 5b. All right. So my dear students, to solve or to simplify an equation, we should always follow this rule, BODMAS rule. All right. So let us try to solve this. So here you can see it is already given in a bracket separately. You can say group, right? So what we have to do first is we will solve this, then and later on we will follow this sign. And here also when you are solving, you should follow the sign. So for the first one, 28. So it is addition first, right? So 6 plus 8 is your 14. Then next, again here, 40 minus, so 32 plus 7 will be how much? 39 into. So here you can see 4 minus 24 divided by 6, right? So what comes first? Division. So we will divide it first, okay? So 6 fours are 24, right? So 4 minus 4. I hope that you can see it. Now next, 24 minus 4, 28 minus 14, it will be your 14. So here you can see 8 minus 4, 1, right? 14. Then divided by, again, 40 minus 39. It means 1, right? And into, here you can see 4 minus 4 is how much? 0, right? So next you can see what we have to do next. See, there is division, there is multiplication sign, right? So we will divide first. So 14 divided by 1 is 14 into 0. So 14 into 0 is equal to 0. So your answer will be 0. I hope that you all can see this. Please note it down in your notebook. So we will try one more question from the same. All right. So let us try one more, then it will be more clear. So before that, just write it down in your notebook. Okay, let us try another one, D. Okay, I hope that this is completed. So let me rub this and solve another one. All right. So question number 5, D. So what is D? 64 plus 124 minus 12 into 3 plus 7 bracket close divided by 4. All right. So first we will remove the bracket, right? This is the bracket. Again inside this bracket there is one more bracket. So first we will solve this. 64. Okay. Let me check once the question. Yes, it is correct. All right. 64 plus 124 minus 12 into, so 7 plus 3 is how much? 10, right? So this bracket will be removed. Divided by 4. 64 plus 124 minus, we can see here that first comes what? Multiplication. So we will multiply this first, okay? It will be your 120. 12 into 10, 120. Divided by 4. Then 64 plus 124 minus 120 will be your 4, all right, divided by 4. I hope that this is clear. You can see here how we have done, right? So 4 divided by 4 will be how much? 1. So 64 plus 1 is 65, all right? I hope that this is clear. So one thing you should keep in mind while solving this type of question where you have to simplify or we have to evaluate, we have to follow this rule of sign where First, we will start with removing the bracket, then we will go for division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. I hope this is clear to you and you will be able to do it, right? All right. And the rest of the question from here, so you try this by yourself, and if you could not do or if you find any difficulty, then just let me know, okay? I'll help you out. Now let us try another question, that is question number 6. So in question number 6, you have to simplify, means you have to find its value, right? So let us try with question number A, right? So let me write down the question. I hope you all have noted down this in your notebook. Okay, so let us do question number 6. So question number 6. A. 14 minus bracket 15 minus 10 minus 6 divided by 2 minus 14 plus 29 minus 46 minus 32, then bracket close. All right, and here you can see there is one bar on the top of this 2, 46 and 32, right? Okay, so before I solve this, let me tell you a few things about the brackets. See, here you can see different type of brackets, right? This is also called the square bracket. This is your, you can see it's a round bracket, okay? And there you can see one line, right? Which is called your bar. And this is also called as line bracket. This is also a one type of bracket which is on a above of 46 and 32. Now here in this sum, what we should do first? We have to follow BODMAS rule, all right? This is must. So first we have to bracket off, right? So there are so many brackets. This is one bracket. Again, inside this one more equation is there. So first we will solve this portion, all right? Now inside here also we will solve this portion. Now suppose if I have to write this in a bracket, then how will I write? I will write 46 minus 32, right? Isn't it? 14 plus 29, correct? I hope you can see this. So instead of writing in this form, it is written here in this form. So first what we will do, we will solve this too. Okay, let's start. So 14 minus 15 minus 10 minus 6 divided by 2. So minus 14 plus 29. Here you see this is 46 minus 32, right? So 46 minus 32 will be your 4 and 1, 14. All right. Now next we will solve this portion. So 14 minus 15 minus 10 minus 6 divided by 2. So minus 14 minus 14, minus will get add, okay? So this is your 29 minus 28. The sign will remain same. As I have told you that when two minus are there, then it get added up, right? In subtraction as well as in addition also, I have shown this to you, but the sign remains minus, right? All right. Then next, 14 minus 15 minus 10. Okay, here you see this is minus plus, right? The sign will change to 6. And this is 29 minus 28 will be your 1. Okay. Next, 14 minus 15 minus 10 plus 6 divided by 2, right? Then 14 minus 15 minus 10 plus, here you see. Now what we will do next? We will do this. We will divide, right? Because division comes first after bracket off. So when we divide 6 by 2, how much we get? We get 3. Then next you see, now this bracket left out, right? Now after division what comes? Multiplication, but there is no multiplication as you can see. So next is your addition, okay? So what we will do? We will add. So this and this we have to add first. So this becomes your 18 minus 10. Clear? Then 14 minus 18 minus 10 is how much? 8, right? 8. And what you will get? 14 minus 8. Okay, let me write down here. So we will get 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. So 6 is the answer. I hope that this is clear to you. So let me repeat the method once again. Okay, here what we did, first we just remove the bracket, right? So here you can see there is one more bracket which is called your line bracket. First we solve this one, 46 minus 32, right? We got 14. Then minus 14 plus 29, then we solve this portion. Next we solve this one. And from here we got, after solving this section, 29 minus 28, we got 1, right? Next what we did, we moved to the division portion. So we divided these two. Then once we got the answer, what we did, we added. We add 15 plus 3, right? And we got 18 minus 10. So 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. So 18 minus 10 is 8. So 14 minus 8 is 6. I hope that this is clear to you. Still, if you find any doubt regarding this, then feel free to ask me, okay? All right. So shall we try one more? Oh, right. So let us try to do one more question from this. So let us try E, the last one. Okay. I hope that you have noted down this in your copy. Okay. So let us do E. Question number 6, E. So 340 minus 120 minus 8, 24 into 2 minus 6 minus 18 minus 6 plus 2. So line bracket is over 6 and 2, right? Okay. So let us try to solve this. 340. So here what we will do, we will first solve this. Okay. 340 minus 120 minus 8. Then, yes, there is no sign. Let me correct this. Okay. So 24 into 2 minus 6 minus. Okay. So here you can see 6 plus 2, right? So the bar is on this 6 and 2. So 18 minus 6 plus 2 is 8. So 340 minus 120 minus 8. 24 into 2 minus 6. So 18 minus 8 will be how much? Minus 10, right? Okay. I hope that till here you are able to follow me. So 340, 120 minus 8. See, never do this first, okay? We should always follow the rule. First, we have to remove the bracket. So let us solve the equation inside the bracket, right? So here, 24 into 2 is how much? 24 into 2 is 48. Minus 10 minus 6 minus 10. It will be your minus 16. Then 340, 120 minus 8 into. See, there is nothing. It means it's into. You have to multiply 8 with this. Okay. So we are just following the rule. We are now going to multiply. So 48 minus 16 is your 32, right? I hope you can follow this. 32. Now let us multiply this 2 first. So 32, 8 2 just 16, 1, 8 3 24, 256. So 300, sorry, there will be minus, 340 minus 120 minus 256. Yes. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now 256 minus 120 will be how much? 6, 5 minus 2, 3, 136. See, my dear students, most of the students, most of you do one mistake, okay? That is, here you see, this is 120 minus 256, right? It means we have to subtract, right? But we cannot subtract 250 from 120. So here what we are doing, we are subtracting 120 from 256, right? So here the bigger number is this, and the sign in front of this is negative. Therefore, the result that will come will be in negative, right? So 340 minus 136. Now here you see this is minus, this is minus. So this becomes your plus. And here you will get 476. I hope that this is clear to you. So let me give you a quick revision on this, that how we did it. First, we just bracket off this 6 plus 2, we did 6 plus 2, 8. Then we solved this portion, 18 minus 8 is 10. Then we solved this portion. This portion is solved where we get 24 into 2 is 48 minus 6 minus 10 minus 16. Then when this bracket is removed, we got 120 minus 8 into 32. So next we will be multiplying, right? Multiply comes first. We did multiplication, then 256. Then after subtracting, we got 136 minus 136. Here it is minus, minus, plus. So 340 plus 136, it gives your 476. All right. So I hope that you can follow me. If you could not, then just let me know. I'll try my best to explain it to you again. And rest of the question, okay, rest the part of the question from this question number 6, I want you to try it yourself. When you try it by yourself, it will make you understand better, okay? That will help you to clear out your doubts. So I'll see you in my next class. Till then, keep practicing maths and do watch this video, all right? So I'll see you in my next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.